Yeah.
Whale.
What does a whale do? Does a whale sing?
I sing.
How does a whale sing? Do you remember how a whale sings?
No. Whale.
Yeah, a whale.
A ducky.
Yep, that's a ducky.
A water. A water.
Yeah.
A water.
Mm-hmm.
Duck.
How many ducks are there? Do you remember? You started to count them. You said 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. How many? Do you remember?
No, melon.
Yeah. Yeah, Piper.
Okay.
Did you read the whole book? Yeah. What's that?
Mommy.
Yeah?
Duck.
I see. What is that?
Mommy.
Yeah?
Look.
You tell me. What is that? Is that water? Is that the sea? Is there a boat in this book?
Boat.
Yeah, is there a boat in this book?
Yeah, boat.
And a captain? Does the captain say, oh no? Yeah.
2, duck.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A box.
A box, that's right. Gentle with the book.
Giraffe.
That's right.
Yeah.
10 ducks to a box. Oh, be careful. Open the book again, honey. Be careful. Look. Look, there's a page. It's bent now. Here we go. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome very much. Hi, Piper.